Left Walker Lake, sitting below snowy mountains in mid-October. Made a short stop in Beatty and camped one night nearby, then traveled south through more of beautiful Nevada to my next camp near Pahrump, where I celebrated Halloween, watched many glorious sunsets, and waited for the moon. Okay, it's like 10:30, and I'm pulling out of the Vanderbilt Pond site. It's not the best signal here. It's just okay, pretty. The pond is nice. It's a dug pond, Lord knows how long ago, because there was mining, a lot of mining done in this area.
Continue on US 95 South for 44 miles.
Okay, here we go. Back on the road again. Feel a vibration from my house, not the road. It's really steady. I don't know if it's the tires flat from overnight cold or what, but I don't like it. Valley Junction. Oh, I think this is, yeah, I think this is Area 52. People camp here. I did. I camped here once. In fact, I parked, I think it was over here on the left as well. There's a brothel over here, or at least there used to be.
Next right onto Nevada 160 East. Signs for Pahrump.
27 miles to Pahrump. Woo!
Continue on Nevada 160 East for 29 miles.
Hey, look, it's another Forrest Gump moment. I think I might be reaching the outskirts of Pahrump. What a view! Yoo-hoo! What a view! parking lot to hit is coming up. Oh, there's a Panda Express here. And you know what I think about that, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna make a turn. I don't think this is the right place to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Teriyaki Madness, I got a Verizon. Alright, here we are. There we go. I want to go out a little ways, but I really don't want to drive that far on this flipping road. So I'd be looking for a place over here. I guess on the left. Oh, the shooting on the right, so we don't go that way. Tell you what, I'll pick you up when I get to a good spot, okay? Alright, I'm not sure where I'm going here. I did pull off of the main road. And yeah, I think I see a spot out here. Maybe not even too far from a tree. Not really shade trees, mind you, but aha, there you go. Now the question is, do I want to face north, south, east, or west? A beautiful reverse sunrise. Some mornings I'd see a hot air balloon at sunrise. Editing video during the day, but watched sunsets every night. Sometimes it was so windy, I shot quickly changing sunsets through the windows. And one night, I saw the swirl of SpaceX over the Nopa Mountains. Okay, this is crazy. You know, I am sitting here in Pahrump, editing video from the coast of Oregon. The door's open, it's beautiful here, it's delightful, like desert, okay. So here's my view as I'm working on the video. And here I am looking out the door, okay. And movement catches my eye, always does. I'm always wondering what kind of wildlife, and I can't show it to you right now because I've yelled at them. And there were 2 little ground squirrels playing out here, and there's no food. So they shouldn't be here. Dang it. It must be getting close time to move on.
let me tell you, it turns out that Pahrump is a pretty darn nice place to hang out. I'd only been here once before. That was 2 years ago, right after the fire. The temperature's been delightful. Of course, when I arrived, there was a little bit of snow on that peak up there. But otherwise, no. I think Pahrump has turned out to be a very nice place to be. It's going to get colder up here. It's snowy, and so soon, well, I'll be heading further south myself. Not quite yet. GeoGypsy here, wishing you a happy Halloween from over the hump in Pahrump. I could also say it is the Celtic beginning of a new year, so way. And I will tip one to the ancestors. You can't ask for much better than that, you know. Yes, we could celebrate here in the desert. It's fine, mighty fine. That's a good rocks. Like that one there. Oh, I like that one there too. And then there's this wonderful piece of quartz. Nice rock. Lots of good stuff. The stripies on that one. What do we got here? Tracks? Maybe? I don't know. Could be? What do you think? Could be tracks or something. I love these little trumpet plants. Well, something's been out here. I hear, I have read and heard stories of people seeing burrows out here. This stuff looks pretty old and pretty dry. I haven't heard or seen any burrows out here this trip. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeehaw. Anyway, there's some good rocks. So I guess most of the rock out here is sedimentary, but I think there's some metamorphic stuff as well. Look at that. Wow. Maybe even some igneous. Oh, that's a nice one. I like it. I feel like carrying it back. Delightful, like 83, I think, was going to be the high today. Heck, it's already on its way down now. Here, look at this. See? Got some rocks. Yuccas up here in the front, and then look at this. We're headed back here to the Joshua trees. Pretty dang interesting plant, huh? Now this is the yucca. And it's going to look a whole lot different when we get closer to one of the Joshua trees. Let's see if I get you in closer here. Look at that. The little curls on the edges of the leaves of the yucca. Now, if you soaked these leaves, leaves. We call them leaves, I guess, spines. You soak them in water, and then you peel off these little strings, and it would make for textiles. Basket makers would love this stuff. Really hard to stop. It's really hard not to stop. Okay, and look at the rocks. There is some really nice rock here. I can't take them all, but look at that one there. Ooh, with the sun on it. Yeah, it's sparkling, kind of peachy, bright yellow spot over there from the sun. But the key is, I'm kind of in an area where water flows off of the spring range, which is where we see the biggest one up here, up high and to the right of my shadow. That would be Charleston Peak. So basically, I'm walking across the alluvial fans, which is the rock that has eroded off of those mountains. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that's some great rock here. And what a variety we get. We're just walking right now. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, because that's what you do here, not only in the desert, but again, water is flowing off these mountains. So I got one more wash to cross. Well, actually more than that. To get to that one. I might not get that far. That's okay. This is a good location. It's about 9:20 and I am leaving the Pair-a-Dice SKP Park in Pahrump, and I just say it was Arizona time. Right, Arizona time, because guess what? I'm headed to Arizona today. It's going to be a long day.
Welcome to Arizona.